Hi everyone, Tom here at Strapworks LLC again, and today we're introducing a new product, our over-center buckle. This is incorporated into a strap, most frequently a transom strap to tie your boats down to your trailer. But the over-center buckle is a quick and easy way to tighten things up, secure it. This one happens to have a built-in lock. Let me show you that. Basically, we've got a spring-loaded built-in lock here, so when you come down, it stays in place. It cannot bounce loose. No more need for all that Velcro while you're up in running down the highway. So what we're going to do now is show you how to thread this guy. The buckle threads the same way no matter what you're using as your end hardware. So start by coming up through the bottom of the buckle. Then you come behind what's known as the roller. Just pull all your webbing right on up through there. Now, you take it down through the top, the paddle of the buckle, back around the roller. It's a little awkward, but you want to tuck that webbing in back behind the roller again, and then just feed it down and all the way back through that bottom hole again. So what you have here is this unit right here. And I'll close it, not under tension, but now you can see how it comes across here and this way. Now at this point in time it's very loose, so you simply open your buckle and you pull your free end until you're kind of snug. Hold it down here and bring your paddle closed. We're pretty darn tight. Okay, now if you don't feel that's tight enough, you can always just open again. Snug it just a little tighter. Bring it down and snap it into place. Now you're talking something that is really tight. Your boat is not going to be bouncing on that trailer. Your load is not going to be bouncing around anywhere you don't want it to be. Over center buckle, quick, faster than a ratchet buckle, and now with the new locking paddles, just as secure.